Incident reporting is a very important part of our business as we aim to get you the right care as soon as you need it. All incidents, regardless of how minor you think it may be, must be reported to your supervisor immediately. Southern Air provides all team members with a quick reference guide for incident reporting. This wallet-sized card lists the steps you'll need to take if you or someone around you is involved in an incident on the job. Remember to dial 911 for all life-threatening emergencies and seek first aid treatment right away. Even near-hit incidents need to be reported to your supervision the day they occur. On the back of the card, you'll find the emergency contact names and numbers of Southern Air's safety team and Human Resources Department. You or your supervisor must call one of these individuals after an incident has taken place, inform them about what happened, and allow them to advise you on the next steps to take, to include the panel of physicians available to you. Incident reporting must occur immediately. Supervisors must ensure the injured employee has followed the proper procedures for reporting and receiving care. Supervisors then must fill out the incident report form. These forms can typically be found with job site foremen. If the injury is not a true emergency, foreman and the injured need to fill out the forms together. In order to accurately fill out these forms, this should be done in the area where the incident occurred to include taking photographs. The purpose of this investigation is strictly for fact-finding and not fault-finding. We aim to analyze the root cause of the incident to prevent it from happening again. After the investigation is complete, it's extremely important to remember an injured individual, no matter how minor the injury, must never drive themselves to seek medical care. Southern Air will ensure an injured person has a driver to safely get them where they need to go. Key takeaways. All incidents, regardless of how minor you think it may be, must be reported to your supervisor immediately. Always refer to your quick reference guide for incident reporting. If you need to see a doctor, you're never permitted to drive yourself and you must see an approved panel physician. Supervisors must fill out an incident report form in the work area to include photos immediately unless it's a true emergency. Reporting incidents in a timely manner help the safety team gather the important facts in hopes of avoiding similar incidents in the future.